Hey guys, this is Vishab, and in this video we are going to talk about how to manage studies during articleship. So, your focus should be on completing the lectures of all subjects except elective. Lectures of the elective subject are relatively very small in duration, so you can complete it during the preparation leave as well. So try to complete the lectures of all subject except elective before your CA final exam leave starts. You should always try to study all subjects from a faculty rather than self-study. So a coaching of every subject is highly recommended because first reason, you might lack the self-discipline to read that subject completely. Also, a teacher's expert guidance on that subject is very much needed in CA final at least. Second, if you can manage 15 to 30 minutes daily or a few hours on weekend to revise what has been taught to you in the lectures, it is more than enough. If you are not able to manage any kind of revision, then also it will work fine. Don't worry much about it. Doing homework of coaching classes during articleship is a goal too big in my view. You might manage for first few days due to the beginner's luck and motivation, but as and when you progress in your articleship tenure, time and energy available for watching lectures it is itself so less that leave apart homework and stuff. So I neither did any revision nor any homework during my articleship. Passing in first attempt CA final exam is very much manageable if you just manage to complete your classes before the preparation leave and study with sincere efforts during the last 5 or more months of preparation leave. Completing classes before leave is a big feat in itself. So I was not able to complete my classes. My attempt was scheduled in May 20, and if I remember it correctly, I completed my costing class in February 20. So completing classes before leave is a big feat in itself. Okay. Then the fifth point is try getting Google Cloud or pendrive lectures as they can be accessed as per your time availability. You never leave any topic because you choose the pace. Avoid live classes as such because you can't speed it and you might not get the backup also. Sixth is keep a log sheet with you for recording how many hours of lectures you see during the day. Keeping a log sheet or checklist makes you conscious and accountable for completing the lectures. Make a mental note each day that you will complete this many hours of lecture every day. Like if your exam is very nearby, then maybe your goal would be to complete 6 hours of lectures every day. Train your subconscious mind for that you have to see this many hours of lectures. So just write down that how many lectures have you seen that day and keep doing it for a consistent period of time. I've always found very hard to wake up early in morning and see the lectures. I used to see lectures in evening after returning from work. If you are a morning person, there is nothing better than watching lectures in morning. I always had 2 subject lectures with me such that one is practical and one is theoretical. If I am doing something along with watching lectures, I would see the theory subject lectures. Practical subjects normally need your focused attention. Ninth point is 1.5x to 2x viewing speed is good if you are only watching the lectures. Remember, you can always rewind if you face any problem. Using Bluetooth earphone is advisable if you have noise at your place. Using the Bluetooth earphone will help you in concentrating as well as increase the grasping ability such that you will be able to sail through 1.5x speed easily because you will have your focused attention only to listening the lecture. Try to maximize the lectures watching time by seeing them during eating food as well. At least the theory subjects it can be managed. The 11th point, which is a very important point, is in subjects where faculty provides class notes in the PDF format, I have never maintained a copy. Lots of my friends used to criticize me about that, but it helped me in saving a lot of time, as well as I was able to focus on other things in the class as well, other than just copying the thing. I will just download and print the notes. If I think any need of further marking, I will just make it in the printout. So what I used to do was I took out the printout of all the PDFs which were shared by the teacher, and when I am watching the lecture, if I think that any additional marking needs to be made, I will just mark it in the printed notes. This way I was able to speed up my lectures and also have the examples which student might not have noted. So that is one thing. And also my notes never had the issue of being incomplete. When you're writing the notes yourself, you might not be able to write it sometimes. That thing also gets solved here. So I will just repeat the important points which you should be remembering. If it's alright if you are not able to revise the lectures which you have seen or the topic which you have been taught in the class, and it's absolutely alright that you are not able to do the homework. It is very impractical. It's very impractical, at least in the CA final studies. Then always keep a log sheet that write the number of hours of lectures which you have seen in the day. It will help you in becoming accountable and conscious about whatever you are doing. Then using a Bluetooth earphone is very helpful, and wherever possible try to take out the printout of the class notes only. So this was my this was my view on how to manage studies during articleship. I hope you found it helpful. If you have any other point also which you think might help our fellow viewers to manage studies during articleship, I would be very glad if you could mention it in the comment section below. Also, if you have any recommendation for any other video or any suggestion, please let me know in the comment section below. So thank you guys for watching this video. Subscribe to the channel. This is Rishabh Gang signing off.